Welcome back to StudyNest. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cupcake designer game like this. So make sure you watch until the end to find out how I make this game. So without further delay, let's jump on. So let's choose a paint a sprite option and let's draw a rectangle or a square. Now I'm going to go to this option and just pull it there. There. Now all you have to do is make it a little smaller and it's gonna look like that. Yeah, it needs a few adjustments. So here's our cupcake ready. Who likes cupcake? Okay, so now we want to separate these all. So let's just make a new sprite and just copy these, Control X, and paste it here. Now we have two different sprites. This is going to be the folder, and this is going to be the icing. Nice. Now I'm just going to name it icing 1. Now you can change it to different colors by just duplicating it, selecting it all, and making different flavors. That's all for now, but you can add more. Now we want some sprinkles, right? So I'm gonna put this here. Just copy it and put it in paint and get this here. This is only to get like an idea of where the sprinkles would go. There we have our sprinkles. Now I'm gonna delete these icing. Delete the icing. So I'm completed with it. Now time to do the code. Now we can say when flag clicked, you wanna say go to this position which you have fixed. And let's do that for everyone. Go to this position and when flag clicked, go to this position. Nice. Now let's say you make it here and there. It's still gonna come back. But then this one is hiding behind those. So how do we do that? Simple. We go to looks and choose this go to front layer. Now when you start the flag and maybe put them away and then say, see, it's gonna come front. We're gonna get another one. We have to say when the sprite clicked, switch say next costume, and we want that to happen in all the places. Nice. So there we are. Now we started and it's going to change costumes and we can have fun customizing it. Now I'm just going to change the sizes because it's like too small. If you want, you can add more stuff in this. Let's say a candle on top of it. How would that be? That would be interesting. Maybe we can just draw a yellow candle. Candle. Where are you? Okay, that's weird. And make it smaller. Just put it right here. And maybe you could say click the candle to change the number of candles on there. Now we have a candle. Now I'm gonna do a backdrop. Let's say I want there's this hearts. GRT. There. Hearts. And you can also make it to change the background, and that's gonna also be awesome. So we can do that too. When stage clicked, next backdrop. Perfect. And now you can add awesome backgrounds and make a birthday surprise, like classroom, or in the outdoors, or in a nice painted background. So yeah, guys, that was it for today. Hope you enjoyed. If yes, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe and follow my daily updates so you can get more sketch tutorials like this. And next year, goodbye.